For example, one of our biggest customers is a top 10 insurance carrier, and they use us for their rate filing process, which is this: every time an insurance company needs to change their price, they need to submit a request to the government to get approval to change their price. So if you want to if Geico wants to change their auto insurance for New York from $200 to $202, they have to go through a regulatory approval cycle. And so before, this was all done with spreadsheets and emails, and it takes 6 months, and there's all this back and forth, and it's very, they're going to do thousands of these a year. And the compliance team was very much on the back foot, just like always following up with people, making sure, handling rejections from the regulator because the submission came through and it didn't meet some requirement, so they had to come back and like fix it. And instead of doing this kind of reactive work, they are now actually focused on building the system in Process Street. So they kind of dictate how the workflow gets designed, and they've kind of become builders of systems instead of almost like administrative assistants that are kind of like just following up with people all day. And so now everybody runs the process in Process Street, and when compliance wants to make a change, or there's a regulation change that happens externally, they can just come in and adjust the system, add a step, adjust a form, adjust a rule, and everybody just picks it up instantly, right? So they kind of have moved almost into more building products and systems than being the kind of the chasers that are, chasing everybody around trying to make sure that they did their work.